It's more on the ability to list the severity. Okay? Doon sa case ho, okay, ang dami hong mga nilagay doon na benign, and then pipiliin mo ngayon doon, saan doon ang mga signs and symptoms or ang mga procedures, ang mga events na pwede mong magamit. So here, nilagay natin yung mga diagnosis, comorbidities, and complication na pwede nating makode. Ito yung mga ICD nila. Okay? Electrolyte imbalance, nag-tachycardia. So, you get now here the remarks. Okay? Critical illness of polyneuropathy, early risk. Okay, may ganun pa. Now, for the procedures on day 3 to 7, ito yon. Okay? Endotrach, may bayad. Paggamit ng mechanical vent, billable ho yan. Yung central venous line, billable. Sa ibang bansa, ng mga infusion, may bayad. Yung mga sedation, may bayad. Okay? Yung analgesia na infusion man, may bayad. Yung mga insertion ng mga nurses, hindi yan binabayaran dito, pero sa ibang bansa, may bayad ho yan. How many times ka mag-insert ng Foley cut? Sa ibang bansa, may bayad yan. Blood culture, monitoring, may bayad. Okay? Again, no, I'm not saying, ito ba babayaran ni PhilHealth? Probably yes, probably no. But I also provided them with the list. If it's there, might as well list them now. Okay? Kung lalabas man yung listahan ni PhilHealth, then we will just correct it later. So yan ngayon yung value. So, okay? I'm going to be very honest with all of you. Yung aming level 3 na kliyente ho, napakagaling ng nurses. Napakagaling. Yung tipong parang pwede na naming sabihin na, okay, co-manage to the nursing service. Mas maganda pa ho ang documentation ng nursing service i-compare sa IM group. Kasi training yun eh. Ngayon ito sa opinion ko po, itong DRG, kapag magaling yung IM nyo, I'm talking here of the general IM. I'm not talking about the subspec. If you have good general IM, okay? Kung magaling yung Gen IM ninyo, okay? Lalabas lahat ng sakit. Okay? Kaya ho doon sa level 3 namin na kliyente, inupuan ko talaga yung mga Gen IM. Sabi ko, yung Gen IM, sa opinion ko after doing this for several years, yung Gen IM kung magaling, you can list so many things here. Okay? The Gen IM can actually be the gatekeeper sa mga toxic, okay? Para maibigay sa neuro, maibigay sa nephro, maibigay, okay? In everything. Once the Gen IM talks with the subspec IM, kulang ho yung 1, 12, and 20. Okay?